Fall 2025 Question 4. This sits in Category 1, Markov/multi-state survival models, difficulty rung 2 on the prior exam ladder. Recognition cue, multi-state map, MLE exposure, or Excel Euler-Kolmogorov. STEM focus, a live-dead model, MLE for piecewise-constant force, variance of estimator. Own the recognition cue and map before grinding algebra. Use the official exam PDF and model solution for full numeric work. Attack with the Category 1 checklist. Step 1. Draw states and arrows. Label what is given. Step 2. MLE likelihood per life estimator. Step 3. Euler choose H. Update P T plus H. Step 4. Attach cash flows only after probabilities exist. After this sitting, climb higher rungs in Category 1 before switching families. Watch the matching strategy video for subtypes and grounded next variance. Audience setting is not made for kids' adult exam prep. Use the official sitting PDF and model solution for the full numeric walkthrough. Then climb the next rung in this category.